Hey everyone, have you ever seen like a movie that you thought, man, everyone needs to see this? And it's not that everyone needs to see it, but they deserve to see it. So I'm here to share with you something about a new concept, a new mindset, way of thinking that actually has been around for about 18 years. It's called the Bale-Donine method. And you might be asking, why does Henry have a heart and a stuffed tooth behind him? Well, let me tell you, I'm coming to you live from the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center of Central Ohio and the Complete Health Dentistry of Columbus, Ohio, where we guarantee that you will not have a heart attack or stroke. And that's a pretty bold statement to make, but let me show you how. So, out in the hallway, when you arrive at the center, then you'll see that this is the Complete Health Dentistry of Columbus, Ohio by Barbara McClatchie, DDS, along with a perfect marriage of medicine and dentistry of the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center of Dr. Eric Goulder. He's been practicing cardiology for over 30 years, standard care of medicine, and instead of waiting for you to have an episode and then patching you up on the aftermath, this is what he does now. So let me show you where the magic happens. In our lobby here, you'll see our great logo. You can tell there's a heart around a tooth. And the reason why, folks, is because there is a oral systemic connection. That means that there is a direct correlation to what you are putting in your mouth to how your systematic cardiovascular system is working, because the mouth is a window into the rest of the body. So when you walk in, you'll see we have a couple different exam rooms. I'm going to show you, this is one of my favorite exam rooms because it's got not only all your classic dental equipment, and some of these chairs are actually massage chairs, but why would you go to just a regular standard care when you could easily go to a completely Porsche or Cadillac version of what you can get, where you sit in the dental chair, they take your blood pressure, and then they look at the root causes of all the different things that could cause a heart attack. And so when you sit down in the dental chair, you'll see that there are all sorts of things like low vitamin D levels, periodontal disease, insulin resistance. We do genetic testing. You look at all sorts of different types of lifestyle changes that you can make in order to reduce the inflammation. And there's a couple of tools that we use to do so. This stuff here, this is a probiotic. We recommend a couple of them here at the center, but you can get them over at the store too. And depending on what type of bacteria you have in your mouth, I want to show you a little bit of my testing here. So this is my bacteria reading, and yeah, I know this is probably against HIPAA, but this is my personal information, right? So they scanned me, they did a spit and swish, and they found all sorts of different severe bacteria that causes periodontal disease. There's your periodontal disease, which is the same bacteria that causes the inflammation in your arteries that allows the soft plaque to go into the surrounding area and cause the soft plaque to build up. So we'll get that under control using all sorts of things. This guy here is one of my favorites. This is called Stella Life. Stella Life is one of the fastest natural healing types of medicine that you can put inside of your mouth. You can also put it on your skin, and it'll heal you like crazy. Another really cool tool that we use too here at the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center is called Juice Plus. If you've never heard of Juice Plus before, Juice Plus is basically over 30 fruits and vegetables that are vine ripened. They grind them up, they put them into a powder form, and they put them into capsules so you can take them throughout the day. And what they do is, instead of masking the symptoms and putting band-aids on the pain, these guys will actually go into the cells and heal the tissue at the cellular level. One of my favorite things that they have here is called Complete. That Complete powder is a really great quick meal that is containing 17 other plants beyond what you get here. And this Complete powder actually has mushrooms in it too, so you get your good source of vitamin D during the day as well. So just wanted to introduce you to a couple of the tools that we use here. There's a ton of other stuff that we use. Just want to show you a couple other tests that we can perform too. This is called a cone beam back here. This is a upper thoracic imaging system that allows you to see your airway. So we test sleep apnea too, because sleep apnea is actually a dental problem that is fixed by the marriage between medical and dental. So we'll take a look at the width of your airway. We'll take a look at the bacterial spectrum in your mouth. We do DNA testing. So this is the Cadillac treatment of dentistry and cardiology. It is the only center in the entire world that has both under the same roof. So, public service announcement. If you are looking for a dentist that can do more than just clean your teeth and give you an examination, but can prevent a heart attack. If you want to learn more, then in the caption we have special events lined up for you. We've been going all over the country sharing about this oral systemic connection, and by popular demand, we are putting this online. We are going live on Sunday, September 8th at 4 o'clock, and it'll be posted on that website, healthylivingrevolution.com/live. That's www.healthylivingrevolution.com/live. On September 8th at 4 o'clock, we'll be recording how heart attacks are actually optional. That's right, I said it, heart attacks are optional. Beyond that, there's a couple other recordings that'll be on there for the month. There's the complete health dentistry, the oral systemic connection, and a couple other things that deal with diabetes. I think there's some Alzheimer's things on there, some obesity, all sorts of other recordings that we've done in the past. But I encourage you to jump on there, again, anytime after 4 o'clock on September 8th. And we have a special event coming up to Cleveland where we're going to be presenting this live. Dr. Eric Goulder, Dr. Barbara McClatchie, myself, Denny Benedict, and along with Patty Cosby, we will be presenting on that Thursday evening on October 3rd. And if you are a dentist, if you're a dental hygienist around the area, then you can actually get CEs on Friday morning by Dental Hygiene Excellence. Laura Hooper, along with Julie Cox, are going to be presenting at that forum. And you can get 2 CEs if you are in the world of dentistry. So pass that along to your dentist and your dental hygienist, your neighbors and friends. That is a free event up in Cleveland. But again, if you log online to www.healthylivingrevolution.com/live, LIVE, you can learn how heart attacks are optional. Again, I'm coming to you live from the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center of Central Ohio. My name is Henry Lee. If you want more information about any of this that was presented in this video, please comment, like, and send me a personal message, and I'd be more than happy to connect you with what we do here at the Complete Health Dentistry and the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center.